One way you can multiply fractions is by changing the mixed numbers into improper fractions. For example, if we have the problem 2.5 times 1 2/3, we can easily multiply if we can turn both of our mixed numbers into improper fractions. So if you're not sure how to do this, you can check out the Changing Mixed Numbers to Improper Fractions video. You would do 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 1, which is 5. So 2.5 is the same as 5 halves. Then you would do the same for 1 2/3. 1 times 3 is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So you would get 5/3. Now we know if we have improper fractions, or if we have a fraction without a whole number in the front, we can simply multiply across. So we can say 5 times 5 is 25, and 2 times 3 is 6. You can tell that our fraction is still improper, and we don't want to get a final answer and state it as an improper fraction. So we're going to have to turn our improper fraction back to a mixed number. If you're unsure how to do this, go to the video about turning an improper fraction into a mixed number. I ask myself, how many times does 6 go into 25 without going over? I know that 6 times 4 is 24, and anything more than that would go over. So I know there are 4 whole groups of 6 in 25, and 4 groups of 6 are 24. So in taking out my 4 wholes, it is the same as taking out 24/6. So I'm going to subtract that 24 from my 25/6 and find that I have 1/6 left over. So the product of 2.5 and 1 2/3 is 4 1/6.